In this video, I'll explain how to exchange money on Western Union step by step and whether it is safe. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. Many people use Western Union to exchange and send money, but often feel unsure about the process and whether it is safe. In this video, I will explain how to exchange money through Western Union and whether it is a secure option, along with a few practical tips to help you stay safe. First, you can exchange money by sending it through the Western Union website, mobile app, or by visiting an agent location. You simply enter the amount, choose the destination country, and the system will show you the exchange rate and total cost before you confirm the transfer. The next thing to understand is how the exchange rate works. Western Union applies its own exchange rate, which may include a margin on top of the market rate. This means the rate you see might be slightly different from the live market rate, so it's always good to check before sending. Another important factor is how the receiver gets the money. They can choose cash pickup or direct bank deposit, depending on what's available in their country. Bank deposits are usually more convenient, while cash pickup can be faster in some cases. In terms of safety, Western Union is generally considered secure and is used worldwide for money transfers. Transactions are encrypted, and you get a tracking number to monitor your transfer. However, you should only send money to people you trust, as transfers are hard to reverse once completed. You should also double-check all details before confirming, including the receiver's name and country, to avoid delays or issues. Finally, be aware of scams and avoid sharing your transaction details with anyone. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.